The Ruancheng Android 12-car radio is the ultimate multimedia upgrade for your Suzuki Swift 2011 to 2015. With its powerful 8-core processor, QLED 1280 by 720 display, and support for wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, this system transforms your dashboard into a modern infotainment hub. Whether you're streaming audio, navigating with Google Maps or Waze, or taking hands-free calls via Bluetooth 5.0, this head unit does it all with speed and style. Thanks to the 3D stereo surround DSP, you'll experience audio like never before. You can fine-tune the soundstage to your preference, set the mood with built-in presets, or customize the EQ manually. Models like A6, A8, and V1 even support 5.1 channel surround, subwoofer output, and 360 degrees panoramic camera input for maximum convenience and safety. The ADAS driving warning system helps you stay alert with lane departure and forward collision warnings, while the optional 1080p reverse camera gives you a wide, clear view when backing up. Plus, support for USB TPMS allows real-time tire pressure monitoring to protect your car and your passengers. This Android system supports multi-language OSD, split-screen multitasking, and even AI voice control on select models, so you can control navigation, audio, and more without taking your hands off the wheel. With options for 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, and steering wheel control, this radio is designed to fit seamlessly into your Swift with non-destructive installation. Smart, safe, and powerful, the Ruancheng Android radio is the modern upgrade your Suzuki Swift deserves.